Dal fry is one of those great dishes which is simple but has an amazing taste. Now, here is a recipe with simple ingredients and it gets us the authentic rest of flavor. Now, let's not waste any more time and get straight into cooking. So, for dal tadka, what I've done is I've taken 1 katori or 1 cup of arhar dal or tur dal. I've washed it thoroughly and let it soak in water for half an hour. I have now rinsed the water and now we're going to put it in the pressure cooker. Now, once we put the dal in the pressure cooker, we will add 1.5 glasses of water to it. And to this, we add some salt to taste. And some turmeric powder. I've taken half a spoon of turmeric powder and about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And we're going to give this 2 whistles on high flame so that our dal becomes soft. So we've got 2 whistles and we just switch the gas off, and now we just let the pressure cooker cool down, and in the meantime we're getting a masala ready. So in the meantime, when a dal is cooking in the pressure cooker, let's get the masala ready. So in a frying pan, what I've done is I've taken some oil. It's about 2 tablespoons of oil. To that I add a pinch of hing. And we will add 1 teaspoon of jeera. And we let this cook till the time the jeera doesn't start to splutter. So our jeera has started to splutter. What I do to this is I add a 3-inch piece of ginger which is grated, and I add about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic which are finely chopped. I give this all a nice mix. The jeera and the hing is giving off a lovely smell. I wish you all could smell it. And we don't let it brown, and to this we'll add 2 medium-sized onions which are finely chopped. And now we cook this till the time our onions don't start to go pink. Now as our onions have gone pink, we'll add 2 whole Kashmiri red chilies, dried chilies. Give it a nice mix. And to this we'll add salt. While adding salt, don't forget that you've also added salt in the dal. And you add coriander powder. So I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder and half teaspoon of red chilli powder. We cook all this for about 30 seconds. And then to this, we'll add the tomatoes. Now we cook our tomatoes and this masala till the time the tomatoes don't go soft. When the tomatoes go soft, we'll just add freshly chopped coriander leaves to this. And now mix it and we'll add the dal to this. So dal is done, and now what we do is we add it to this masala that we made. Give it a nice mix, and we'll just let this boil for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll transfer it to the serving vessel and put the tadka on top. So let's start serving, and then we're going to do the tadka. So we don't do the tadka before we put it in the serving bowl, of course. So we serve in this bowl. Don't overfill because you have to put the tadka also. So in a tadka pan, I have heated some ghee, and to this I add 1 spoon of jeera. The moment I add it, my jeera starts to splutter, and immediately I add my degi mirch powder, and I'll add a few coriander leaves to it. Take it off the heat. Nice swirl. Just throw this on top of the dal. So that's it. That's your dal tadka ready. Just exactly like the way you love it in the dhaba. Do try a recipe out. Like and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments how it went. If you think we can improve in certain ways, you let us know that also. And we'll see you soon with a new video.